So hi, good morning. I'm on my walk this morning and listening to a little bit of Abraham. And I thought for the first time in a while that I'd share a quote on my Abraham illustrated page. Because I only ever do this when I'm inspired, and we're all going through different things at different times. And sometimes I feel like being creative in that way, and sometimes I don't. Well, anyway, on my walk this morning, listening to a talk from Chicago in May, a couple or three quotes came to mind. And the first one is, if I remember, hold on, there's a car coming. How nice of them to visit. The first one was, it doesn't matter how we got where we are, the only thing that matters is where we're going. Well, that's a very loose I can't remember, but it was good. It sounded good. You can look at the text anyway. So yeah, it doesn't matter where we've come from. And why I like this this morning is because I don't want to use my energy and time thinking about some difficulties of the past, which is so tempting to do, especially when things are not going the way we want to do, when we want things to go better and it's still not going that way. But this morning I felt really good, and therefore this rang my bells because it was so clear, right? It doesn't matter how we got where we are, it's where we go from here. So I really like that. And then the next quote, I'll just have a look just to remind myself, hold on. Okay, so here it is. Approximately, you know who knows what your future is? Okay, your inner being. And then this bit I really liked. You know how happy we are about your future? Like, so happy that words can't describe. So I really like that my inner being, our inner beings know our future, and it is bright, it is wonderful. And, you know, that just felt really nice. You know, how to walk in your day and really feel good because, you know, the wisdom of the universe, right? The universe knows how good your future is. So how nice to walk along with that one. And then the third one, if I remember rightly, that caught my ear, if you like, as I was listening. Hold on. God, I'll have to do another. Hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the third one. It is that almost everyone is running around wanting to be appreciated. You know, we want to be valued. We want people to compliment us maybe on what we've done, or we want to feel valued by those around us. You know, and then the secret is for us to be the appreciator, for us to find an object to appreciate. And that made me think of a couple of people that I have been allowing make my life like less pleasant on a daily basis, on so often. Maybe that is really why I've not been progressing in certain things as much as I think I should, because without realizing it, so much of my energy and attention is being, is not appreciating those people around me that are causing me difficulties. So I felt empowered by this. I suppose because already I had a breakthrough in feeling appreciation for these people. So I say these people, that sounds impersonal. I mean certain people I was having difficulty appreciating. I wasn't allowing myself to appreciate them. I was, feeling maybe justified in my own more negative feelings. But so I've had that breakthrough already, and that's why this quote meant something to me. So, and then that's the secret to living happily ever after. So I'm looking forward to going into my day to appreciate people, excuse me, to appreciate people, and living happily ever after. And it doesn't matter where I've been. It's not that I've wasted time before this realization. It only matters now, how good I can feel now. And that wonderful thought that, the future is so bright. There are so many good things for us, and our inner being knows that. So let's appreciate and feel satisfied with now, and then we're in tune with our inner being and moving towards more and more of that happiness. Anyway, so this video I've done just holding in my hand the easiest way I could. not worrying about anything, because I love these walks and I don't want to start getting complicated, worrying exactly how I look or how professional it is, but just want to share from my heart my feelings about certain things that have inspired me. And if it's good for you, you'll listen. If it's not, you won't. But that's fine. So have a wonderful day, and maybe I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.